I hate to say that, but you cannot truly learn programming just by watching tutorials.
What?
Trust me, I've learned it hard way in my first job interview. When I first decided to learn JavaScript, I was so excited. I started following tutorials and online courses like crazy from various coaches, hoping to quickly grasp the programming language and start building cool projects like this. But soon, I found myself stuck and confused. One coach was all about functional programming, while another insisted object-oriented programming was the way to go. Learning two different concepts at the same time can mess up your understanding of programming. And don't even get me started with the copy-pasting. I will watch the tutorial, copy-paste the code and think I get it, but the very next day I had no clue at all. I felt like a goldfish. Most tutorials focus on syntax, and it's good, don't get me wrong, but they don't teach you how to apply your knowledge, or even worse, the most important thing is problem solving. Back then, I didn't know any better. I thought if I watched a couple tutorials and made few projects and I am good to go. To be honest, I felt confident and told everyone I was ready to apply a real job. One of my friends who believed me recommended me for junior developer position at their company. I thought it was time to test my coding skills. I felt confident, prepared until the very moment I joined the interview meeting on a Zoom call. When I saw 3 interviewers who will evaluate me, all my confidence vanished into thin air. The technical lead started asking questions about my personal projects and coding experience. I stumbled, trying to explain my copy-pasted React projects and the mismatch of coding styles I picked from different tutorials.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I was sweating and could literally hear my heart beat. Somehow I answered their questions, but I could see how they looked to each other and
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
Then came the coding challenge, a simple task to build a small feature for websites. I froze, my mind going blank. All those tutorials and snippets of the code were floating around my head and I had no idea how to apply them to real-world problems. I failed miserably at each assignment. Leaving the interview, I felt crushed and ashamed. The harsh truth hit me. Tutorials had actually made me stupid, providing me a false sense of confidence while leaving me unprepared for real-world challenges. I had disappointed my friend who recommended me for that job. It was devastating realization that all this time I was in tutorial hell. Don't miss my next video where I reveal what I did to escape tutorial hell. Subscribe and turn on notification on. Thank you.